Assalamu alaikum bade wono ngammo be konton wato nal konton wala anal bade manon Suleiman Jam na channel auto min kira politiko bantaba momo ben follow kan na YouTube channel auto isi subscribe ya share ya like
Narudron Prubi Kakacha to give you some couple of updates, inshallah. Komenka Kalkalam tan the cool la cool live caring. Like I said in my topic, we are determined. Nothing can stop us, biiznillah, by the grace of God. 2026 na entara balu kono falungo bekela. And I don't think no amount of words, no amount of intimidation, no amount of caricature, no amount of accentuation. Member Atina, no, it can actually, that cane can be torn to anything. So coming to Yerindin Tatina, caricature Tatina, Kumajaw Tatina, and then, I mean, because cooking level care, wala nyo ko, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah la marsan disolum alamadingot. No, Allah alamadingot. It ha put la to no in some it ha dun la no situation no me ya lonko afonga ya lonne, and at the end of it you want a mariation ka fon remain wo kono. Ndola focus, like I always say, right now the focus is mbe banko yum kanan la no nyamen anyhow, ka banko kanandi ka banko bondi ma fial bulo kono. Adoko nying atakela no doku izirinte. We know that very well. Adoko nying kono ebe jawol soto la jele. Adoko nying kono ebe kuma jawol moy la jele. Adoko nying kono ebe fon be la soto la doko nying kono. But like ndaka mem fo mole wala nying ko like my able chairman say, don't steal, don't lie, job right. Doko drong. That is the only thing me ya lonko. I believe it can give progress to this country. Wala nyim banko sambala no nyato. And it's very important banku dingo be your long. Nim banku dingo be your long. Membe kala wala nyindu ko, we will put tribes aside. Mbe si patam fasolon la karal, mbe regionalism bo lan la karal, mbe sectionalism bo be lan la karal. Na focus be kala minute what minimum found me along ko Gambian ko be found jala wala kono. That is why we are focused. That is why tol dare ku kalas wala kono. So just to kana topico nyinta to elaborate more on the topic. Wala mnyuko ntolu ntole Gambia banko walaje wallahi suma wala ntole Gambia banko walaje andung memem fala Gambian kolbe wala mnyuko alan kana som moyem baful and nimmo moya miranu you can baffle us you rebentol baffle la nole ke fon nenele. Understand? Momo halon ko ite Amerite bentol baful le no wallahi suma wallahi ke fon nenele, because Gambians are aware of all what is going on. Gambian ko yalon ne membe mo ya belon mo halon membe. One thing you need to understand. Hey, let us come level Gambian ko last election o yen sifa aleke kabe yen sifa at the end of it what happened was one of them ko yemolu la miro be ton. That's what they did. So what happened is you kuma sifa let's start no ka Gambian ko ta ka ko ha UDP malafi luntan la UDP malafi sido la, and where UDP kolta and some of the executives I made very scared. I slandy party puru nyanta menkela mark. Hey, kuma killing left a Gambian ko be all understand. We own this country. Don't let ham nyim bankoti. We own this country. Adiata akuyada meko. Until we own this country. Don't let ham nyim bankoti. When I say control tam nyim bankoti, Gambia dungu let ham nyim bankoti. Gambia dungu le tam nyim bankoti. Billahi Gambia dungu le tam nyim bankoti. Ha. Nyim bankoti kila no mota ti namanga Gambia dungu. Anu mota Gambia dungu balla no fenda nyim banko kanja. Ha. And I want that to be very clear. Mota Gambia dungu balla no fenda nyim banko kanjang. Gambia dungu ta moment. Ha. Fani atara Gambia dungu me ya lonko. Ima lela Gambia di ya. But Gambia ding me ya lonko ilata kote mu Gambia ding leti motie balla no fenna nyim banko kanja, because banko la luwa wole dila banko la symbole wo dila, because alele harji alele wuluni nyim banko kanja. That is why ntolla kelo mu menti wole nyindiko be Gambia kendo sokle no nyadi be Gambia kendo sokle no nyadi la andong ajata nya ko bela me ya lonko is positive pour que Gambia ta ka bondi ni momo ya mero nun ko ibe mole nenela. Let me tell you something. Like my able chairman always said, wala nyindiko ako whenever they want to distract us, they will come and divide us. So divide and rule tactics on at a walk this time. It's a kumo bay from Molma. It's an Andro bay from Molma. It's an Tumi Ko Bela. But we will stand by our ground. Mbelo and similar cut. Modern Filanore. Mbelo and similar cut. Billahi Nabut Alabala. Ha. Nabut Alabala Mbelo and similar cut.
Assalamu alaikum.
Mbelo and yes, wait, welcome back, Surah. I mean. Mbelo and similar cut. Hey, last election on Yelaka Jang. But Gambia do look like a fly. Jumale Mantara Batakono B. Jumale Ma Long B. Last election or the results of the last election. Jumale Mantara filter. Let's call a spade a spade. Gambia do baby batari. Let's ask ourselves B. The foreign currency of this country. Na banko na fulo benyadi. Sunyaro membe kekanyim banko kanjang. The amount of corruption going on in this country. Gambian call Alman Kukulelo. Sidin Jai. I learned that Menkara Sidinjai is in a trouble right now. Sidinjai alone Menkara knew what? It's in a big trouble right now. So what is happening all you to go? You want to commit, you want a letter man all you to go. You like neo be movement all you to go, Benin Banco in a trouble on Yami. If a fit no someone Banco can Yami. That is their plan. Because Menkara all you to go, ye Banco na flow sunyal, ye Banco le Tonal Tina, ye Banco le Tonal Tala no team. Say I go Gambian call ya realize it. And this is why I want Gambian doing. I am basing my topics on the Gambians. Gambia doing. It's only when you are a fool, they will fool you. A fool can only fool a fool. But a fool cannot fool somebody. May along is wise. I alone remember caring. Yes, some more a fool. May along is a big fool. Yena na fulo sunya. Yena banko fongo betina. Look, Mbadu look makina fala olu nyutuko. Alila moy. The local government commission member Kekanje. Ali Lamoy, Manningham. National Assembly B, Gambia do. Alka Kumo Lamoy, National Assembly Gambia do. Na flow jele tinya nyim banko kanja moli na flow tay dam mali ya sala ñu tema nyim banko kanja mo kilumul bi wala kana jang e ko kanyim banko du ñokon they want to elect a tribal work nyim banko kanja ndo sonnala bi ndo sonnala sam we know all of them mo kilumul bi wala elect a di bayla rule si nyim banko kanja pour Gambia dungul dam may bi ñola dañu xolal let's use our brain let's ready to be die for our country. And the only thing they feel they will be rescued. Wala ñu ndiko ko fitno sama nañu banko ka.
Songa gisuma.
No sura no it's too I mean ñu mo kulati me ya longo I mean akoka dimi mbakele sura hata mo me ya longo wala
songa ya membi al diam executive folly a press release from as soon as possible. Nistano police, this is a very, very serious allegation. It's a very, very serious allegation. People can use this against us. You ain't killing him before. You understand? You ain't killing him before. If you black, le do, I do like Kebala for you for that. A black, le be down, you can only intimidate Sato, Satin, Sate Balto. Tonyata quote. Nico, near Lualo, if you are more kind of politician keba nem banko kan yes aluwanya aluwa bedala ban nimmen fane wulbul kessa di yafo mol ba folal de me wuli ya fe parde banko mala mol ba folal adu wala mu toñat Sidi Njie kuma fane me alon is very very destructive towards UDP and they should take a legal action against this because it's a very very serious allegation. So executive members will momo nimbe la moy kanyin kola ali si ala ñoo commande bang ali be action men talaji ndel ben diamo kelale ndel mo kido juude sama role na kud na garawde be atelle min tella keba executive members ale len tella keba ali wuli ale ni ko address ale legal action ta because I même poten aman tonya ta ko kono UDP mange criminal we are not criminals ndel alpha somda model ke kampa kama because ko ngaluwa batu ani molke luwa batu wala molben delbe luwa bato dam man la from day one of the year ni ay ko do kala UDP la billahi wala ngi luwa bato lam ara ngi luwa bato nyande kala wala nyama ndel alfa ko wala fo molié parce que lila parce que lila dina ngi ma da ko den kilo ala na luwa bato yana sana bar ni mo ke wuli akana luwa tinyata akamo ta ke mu luwa tinyaya alaji bere o kuma yanda fo kula wala mun tala kuma
no Sulara yalong what happened last election because President Barrow yo kuma ka men for communal we are talks. Look, President Barrow only said we are talks, right? But he did not say we are having arms with us. Okay? Because ndebe group o kono. But Kukil never get one of the most serious thing according to we are attacking all of Dolbe Flow attack Dolbe Surual attack. Right? But go, see the German Kukil na wala musical. For UDP kono Surual melabo for one the Gambia doing. For UDP kono Flow melabo for one the Gambia doing. For UDP kono Jolal melabo for manga Gambia doing. For be Palaso Montero UDP kono. For Manding kono UDP for the Gambia doing. Shirinja kido ye Jumala Bulu. Shirinja Muro ye Jumala Bulu. Shirinja Pong ye Jumala Bulu. Shirinja Tlakaso Jumala Bulu. That is why the central executive or the senior executive have to take a step against Shirinja. Because Kukil never get one of it can maintain the more level UDP mu fitna party. And now, because Along Gambian called Kukil understand that last election of 2021 was manipulated. Yeah, manipulated. The results were not the right results. What is going to happen? There might be recounting of votes. And the recounting of vote, basically, UDP will emerge victorious. So, because that is why they use billions, they use millions of money to tamper with the process. To tamper with the process. Saying, you Becky saying, Gambian called Batakonobi. Si Jumala Benin Bangkok and Siome ya longo B, Bangkok and Koliame became Bangkok Yamalo. For it is Surahata, Eka Dola Falim Mena, Jumala Benin Bangkok and member Dola Falimola. It is Surahata, Eka Pauno Falim Mena, Jumala Benin Bangkok and member Pauno Falimola. It is Surahata, Eka Manos and Mena, Jumala Benin Bangkok and member Manos Awala. But Niaji be Ntolmelialon come Bataka, Ntolmelango, we are sovereign today. Sidin Janul B, Ibuka Manosa. Sidin Janul B, Buka Sugrosa. Sidin Janul B, they are not buying anything from the shop. Sidin Janul B, Ikejo Kodo Mena B, they are very rare, even more local in Bangkok and Jakamol Jomen. Sidin Janul B, Eka Balu Naflo Mela, Eka access to the Naflo Mena. Even few people are complaining Bangkok and they have access to Naflo in Bangkok and Jam. So no one can be a man pension of the Mendila Mola, a man pension of the Mendila Bajo Mala, a man pension of the Mendila Banafila, a man pension of the Mendila Sapiabla, a man pension of the Mendila, Ndesiena, will more killing can be a coca Gambian call at a feeling. Because Menkata, in a Bancola na full Sunya, because Menkata, in a Bancola na full Casara, in a you put all Kenyan Bangkok and Jam. And now they realize that Gambian Kolia understand the a commission of inquiry. May I long go be caring to the National Assembly be. Ning Gambia di women buka lamoy, Mapolo Italia lamoy. Momo ya long buka commission of inquiry lamoy. Me care National Assembly kono. Ala lamoy albalo na go sidin janyo la sinka moment. Gambia election o jang. Ada sunyala jang kotanke. Ni momo ya mira nu yila di am obedia moment kala yang wolbe election sunga ni banko kanyang ike fa nenele because we are ready to guide our votes, we are ready to guide our voice. Mpare la kaje ko kan way sabati ni banko kanya mpare la kaje ko moten kan sikala luntan takafula majang to decide who is going to lead us in the next election. Ni men jere me yafo, but the only thing me along it really make me mad seeing Jay accused of having arms, calling us armed robbers, calling us people with arms. I kill you Jumalabul, I muro you Jumalabul, I found you Jumalabul, I tear gas of you Jumalabul. The evidence are here. We were only going around to monitor Kajako, Mol Melia Lonko. Wale in the Carto file Gambia Dumu Damat. Fonte Senegal Labam, Capo Senegal in Coloco. Fonte, is it right? Printed as Senegal, Capo Senegal in Coloco, I want to register here. but Gambian ko nok ma kella fulali Ousmane Sonko ala election wato ilo tele kat iko mol mel yalon ko manga Senegal ko te kardo fay la je bi Senegal be benefit kam menna mo be baje kan jumala man tawje bani nafike wol mel yalon ko haji tela pentela but goes the only thing they want, the only thing they believe, the only thing elata men na wala mnyindiko kabanko destabilize to destabilize our country, and they think that we will sleep. Mesila na nyade. Why are they angry? Ita kuma kama memoila a mayor supporter of NPP. Ita kuma kama memoila ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. A mayor supporter of NPP, ita kuma kama memoila ika wala moy an executive member of NPP. Demba sabali mbeya moy kenna kuma kama mem. Demba sabali kuma kama mem fojam. Jumala mo moy nyim banko kanja. Why demba sabali bo foka? Na fulo jelle be mankiring, na fulo jelle be filo kono, na fulo jelle be tinyakan our minister of agriculture. My own brother Ibrahim Silla. Why Ibrahim Silla is coming out? Why all these ministers now are all told to be politicians? My own brother Nani Juara. I saw Nani in Pirang. Talking as a politician. Who knows Nani as a politician? Nani forget that Nani is a technician. I like Bekel as a technician. But why are they all going out? Milatina Numolbe, Ibebe Pintikan now to defend President Maro because of Sunyaro Tapalea, member carrying him in Masakundakon. Sunyaro in Tapalea, member carrying Masakundakon. Who Yuliamiranum, they can baffle us. These people think that they can fool us. Billahi wallahi ta'ala, we are ready to give our life to make sure we salvage this country. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. Ndole Gambia la soto mandula soto namanga Gambia. Why are they scared? Why are they scared? Nyulumile ikamile sila, ikamile mabo. Bro, Lamin, you welcome.
Baraka bake bayo nyetentu ngejai na kekende bafa na mbijan surafata ngekentu ngejai la do ko nyata bake yakata you've made us proud momodu ndokku kula je asake baraji da farinti na wuli min kama na banko almansa wakala na banko kan alma banko sotula ani kairo kono ani banko lo sobya kan tiling din nyatata anyway bayo mbota live la mami bake I was mbejin address kanje ngani karolo ke na diamo kono ko sidi is sidi njay again wala nyinde ko fo sidi njay lo mo kota ke ban baydi ngana ko sidi njay has made so many headlines and new headlines all jama is very sad. I say a headline solo is not mostly positive about Gambia's future and the direction this country needs to take. But the Chilinjai balanalamu na karuntunglamu ala political kono be ni mang amang feyita numol na fo ate kunkolo rek momo be banko tinyala momo be fitno wulino banko kan itili buka jako banko la ngai boleti banko ding la ngai boleti but how much they are able to exploit out of that situation is what they care most. Bivangani Peter Gomez Jela Diamaka. Peter was trying to make him remind him of that 2016 declaration. But Amanda Fik but despite Peter try. So but after Kobe double jail anyway, Kumara Sucha come wrong. They are loyal to nothing but money, nothing but they are lust for power, wala mo bari yaje mena ko mo kun na ko ite na to tambindi banko mo be hanata ko jerete banko mo jama'i faawo kono out of that komi duwalla jabita dron mo manna faawo kono bari netale ko niol lose taw kono sidin jaw everything would have to do with sidin jaya ani yaje mena mo mi yalan ko e tafawta ka banko mo jamfa. But going forward, maybe jende kan jangolo ni ko 2021 cool miliketa gambe diwul dol milan ko they fell for this type of politics. I'm so today we are all in regret. Mano da be nyami banko la dala so usafa economy be nyami banko la crime rate be nyami cool milan ko mande man dari jela no before be mbolle je kan Senegal be kumbola Senegal minna minen kilo banko kan for in the history of seno ñum sene tambila ñum traité tambila ngajile ko ye ngay bo menke ye yati yateno menke pour kila ko do fansoto through kiw money ana minen soto ñum bankun kan bata min late kan wo kono mbe ñing sifale kono na all the pop na save ko na state owned enterprises are all falling. So min fanam fo nan ñolu ko te ñol nan ñolu be futita na dan adu wo mu just that's the ice that's the tip of the iceberg. Ebe mo le jela mi non ko ne do bebe forcer le be dun la politique kono to go and go and mislead people because it come from mo le mi non ko it's going to be ni fem for so called positive story about Baro. It is not because Barola record is not defensible. It's not defendable rather. Barola economic policy a failed. Barola reforms a failed. Barola national development plan a failed. Barola hanala energy cool mi yanon kay fang belum fenne fonye be baro min tema barola constitutional reform ning I mean gitande mo la ko we are going to have a new constitution a failed. So baro fang min kallo ka fo kon dengan nan tele kat dibitol duku banko min nyaton ko fo ite mari nata o nyaton ko yaw sementu ya lo ko kono akoyte tema ko tonya fami o mena karolla abe kulike ka memne silo manda men luwa manta ite bo fasala so ku jamale be dundu nyoko ni bankon kan droko be mol fala ni bankon kan insecurity almost is has gripped everyone because of all these crimes men on taking place say etulma all address alkal kana nyati UDP la again ni UDP kelo wala lana tambolke ni UDP kelo ya wala ya de ñu mo falto ni UDP kelo na banko man tano han be biminto e koyte ñatil na banko do ko la banko gambe de yebula minna bar UDP ñing fen a kuriyata fen nota ya be la UDP ka andu ñi ñente bolal de ñim bo bolal do bo bolal fanan ñi min be mo bende katifao ñi mi alon ko laftal pour ka to embark on their all games of manipulation. Molyo suite, and people are taking steps. Kaje this time we're not going to allow it. So wole silang mnyim wole paranoia mnyim beti, wole sangu mnyim beti. But mandinko ko de tulo follow na follow tulo fito obuka follow na tulo tala. So anyway, see sula fanam bula.
Yeah, sula Jonathan. So you see Omar Bumbaro, you can send request. So yajale ikadaminte foteng. Kodoke. Yajale this is exactly what exactly ibe menke kan. But lepe kuma kilina follow drum, and I believe nabro nani aba hakilo flow the bakel. Yajale Tangara ibe kumo be follow Tangara. If you see Tangara was able to come back to the government, Kule Assam. I am not saying Ko is clean also, but Tangara was very mindful at some point. Among a politicians, he was not in a political platform. I mean, politics, he was very careful in his politics during the time of Jammeh, involvement into politics. That is why I believe one of the reasons Amusha and Masakunda Yinkon. Okay, they will tell you, Kontamo minister, and minister, I have to do politics. Okay, fine, do politics. But Kukilin Toronto Nicole understand we are in an era. May I long whatever, yeah, moment for political is going to be there. Because media is always there. Even moment for la mole, it has to be factual. Don't steal, don't lie, jobre. It has to be in that mantra. Because Kukilin, Momo ya long be. Even Masakunda kono be. It's a happy to Kukilin. Dumale, I realized, and I want to take the best example of the Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle sunyaro ko Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle na floor tinya in Ghana Commission. Molmel ya lonko wolle ya jambe fawta ye kasara nyimba ko kanja. Molmel ya lonko wolle banko na floor kasara nyimba ko kanja. They were taken to the commission in Ghana Commission, but Gambia be lamoy, Gambia be sunte ko nyumu sungollet. But the worst part is now, Melia lonko wolle multi Melia lonko be to mirebe wolle ka on the Ghana Commission issue. National Assembly comes on Mayalon go over caring inside. The revelations coming. Kuma kawal Mayalon go be all them come from the commission. So Mo Yalon go, it banko kajang, and you are not going to be commissioned. You are just baffling yourself. Imari K phone. Mafuko, we are going to bring in commissions like this. No, I mean in commission. No. But we are going to follow everything. We are going to investigate everything because some of them Gambians deserve to know the truth. Niano Yokorasan Ukraine, Niano Yokorasan Russia, Niano Yokorasan, I mean, wherever you think in this world, along with one person, one patriotic person, Banco Din Kende Kelimbalonale, may along you'll be ready. Kabanko Taka protect. He'll be ready. Kabanko and Aflo back to the country. Ya Gembele Korda Montana America. Al Korda America B, it is under the name of the Gambia government. Because Gambia the time, because the money is owned by the Gambians. So Momo Yamironu, it is Mahari Yamironu, Ila Dimba, Ebola Bonda Bangokanya, Ila Dimba somebody in America. Because all of them, they all secure an American visa. American visa baby local. So you think Ibela Dimba Abolojane, any banko dini prolomoko, Ike Fongole Nene. Walatina, Mbatida, Walatina, Mbanyali, Walatina, Mbabintu, Walatina, Mbande Sen, Walatina, Mba Penda, Walatina, Niamera Nukome Misaipe, Imanlet Wolialo member caring jam. Ukoka Wole Nene, you are baffling yourself. Momo yo Miranium Banko Kanya. So Sirinja can member, and the funny offense because Sirinja, I heard that there is an allegation against him. Allegation bale bakan you wati. So the only thing Sidin Janule Menjawal Ninduko, let's destabilize this country. And then Banko na destabilize. And the Gambian court and Ninola. Let's divide them. And the Sifatam Faso in the Banko Kanja. That is the only thing, that's what they are planning. Well, quote me along after in Banko Kanja. But are we going to allow it? From the Gambian court, the Sanola. How many billions of dollars will do in Banco Kanja? But are we seeing ourselves in it? From the Pongega Konoba. New OIC road, Mayalongo, President Barona La Masakunda, the Julota Julo Mayalongo, how many billion dollars in Yoleta, look at your OIC road in Takadoku? Yesilodoku without no better drainage system. Being in Samakeda, Molmealongo, they live in that corridor. Be their sovereign. The 50-kilometer road may alongo. You call the doku. The silo doku without no better drainage system. B. Joka do Mogel la soko. Mogel la bija may alongo B. Ninsama jawoketa. Ila dimbalu, nila dimbal bujera because Joka do la soko. Molmeli alongo. Inila moto, they cannot get access to, ila soko. This is very sad. And they want to baffle us. They want to make us believe there is they can divide us. And I keep telling this to people. If you think you can divide this country, because Gambians are wise, Gambians know who is the best person for them. Gambians knows the party who is ready to salvage this country. Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah.
Gambian Oliolon.
Yeah. Kabrin ninganing committee GB, the parliamentary committee investigation on you. Ngaje dol bije they are in suit. Ngamira jane commission of fanana kabira be takang. Ngaje be pare be nyinyareng. Ngana jibe fanang TRRC mol miliyanon ko ñun do bal miliyanon ko ye toray be wol nar wol bina kan nyami ani to miliyanon ko be kunna je mbalo ko fa ñang hakilo ka jam fa ndessa Allah akbar nguma daje ñi momo be sirin jang na ko di balle tambe jokan pour ñun do ko ke moli bar do ko labang min kanake molla million ka dunje molla mine mune kana what returns do we have ikap mine ko return investment return or return for investment or the ROT coming something that is worth the money that we are paying mine kana ke nyum ko di bal bi ka dun ko kono mbuka nan sa wol sof noje nuante ni nyanta tala silol minna netri tata wasilo minna be this parliamentary committee to sof lanu. But thanks to Mustafa Njai, Mustafa Dabola Dukunya Milike, we're trying to get to the bottom of these issues. But in Hakilo Fanana Bula Munela, Ola Munyindiko, the audit report, Mianonko Gambia Daman, Namra Banco, Mulam Banco, Gaminon Doman Banco, the Banco Mianonko. Nalbe auditor Kela, you are audited about 3 years back audit. Atal kole for molye. So fender for system of MBJ is not effective, it's not efficient, and it's not responsive to the needs of Gambians. No one be me in this generation, you are issue tools all use no it's not going to take you more than few hours for you to be able to do those jobs. But even if we have to give them the benefit of Kajako, everything is meticulously or effectively audited. Let's give them like 2 months or 3 months. But if we go some more ben to la bang Gambia be doar na depends on me doar nyami. Auditing team will be nyami. We are not auditing is never up to date, or our books are never up to date. They are always 3 years back.
No, because do you know Yalo Menka Osab? Because the problem is that's the way they design the system. And they will tell you how because during your Jambere time there was no proper auditing. It's all fake. It's all fake. Because one thing you never can understand I mean, there is a quarterly system. Mayalong is already in the government. Every quarter of the term of the year, there has to be an auditing. Auditing. So Minatina, government doesn't have, because let me tell you something. Look, Itabuloko, you don't have the human resources. Itofala. Nikomoleko, my human resources, Ikamol Nele. Gambian Dinumojale Mayalongo, they are graduated from the university. We have how many audit firms in this country? And these audit firms, in a credibility, it is not a compromise because they know very well. Because if they compromise their credibility, at the end of the day, they will not have business. So why, if why government is not appointing youngsters for them to do this auditing so that we can be up to date? There are systems, Melialonko. These are updated system, Melialonko. I mean, it's just a mere system. You have to install in all the places. Bangoka Infinite Labitaka. The Infinite system is a system, Melialonko. The more you are operating, the more it's updating itself, and it's an online system. Minatina that online system National Audit is not using that online system and audit every institution in this country.
No, imagine we are talking about 3 years or the accounts. No, we are going to be looking at the latest books. And then if those audits were to be done efficiently and professionally, and then Kajeko to unearth the malpractice melon ko be kerni banku ko ite we will be shocked ibal ko baro e tinyaro menke man la president bina ko teke membo tinyaro kala because ni mo yo tinyaro ko teke Gambia will be finished, will be done.
Mr. J, you can send request, Mr. J, you can send request. Yeah. Yeah. So yajale ekadamento for them. I mean, Kodoma yajale. Let me tell you something. Yajale ekadamento for them. Wolem tonyat. Yajale ning audit system woni. For example, yalong ekamenga wolem yinduko. Ekamolu nyilan dele. Well, they have this backload system.
Okay.
But BB lala ni enyu nyindulal audit B. Ibe masibo le karlaje. I am telling you this. 2021 audit report on not fintita. 2022 audit report on not fintita. 2023 audit report on not fintita jang. Nkoto ma ibe bulo la le kundale. Ibe bulo la le kundale afo Gambia kasaratal.
Mbolo foke nte. I know. Because ndel nga minjibe nga trend minje ndel danda 2020 la. But nga trend minje, I was serious because every year ndel nga merako they would be learning from those recommendations, but those recommendations were never implemented because the same blunders, the same issues being repeated again year by year. Huh?
From 2017, there has been a lot of queries. Queries on the audit side. So the president, as the head of the state, audit queries or audit recommendations are just mere opinions. So basically, you are the head of state. If neatara an institution me alon ka belori, ite ya recommend ko Gambian ko loko institution on you wala doko o mu fenken o mu comment o mu miral kensan wallet. President wala kanyum fode. This is not said by an ordinary citizen. Amanga comment ka ko ordinary citizen wala kanyum fo. Gambian la president Mr. Adama Barrow wala ko ako kisisiro mengi ga master kunda kono sunyaro nin tapale al tumirol melka findi ako tumirol mu miral kensan wallet. But saying this mean ko ate president sign ate endorse lako sunyarol melka ke wolu muku kes olmuku omu diam kensan wallet. Forgetting this ko audit queries or audit recommendations are elements fengol le mut melalo ka tabat fengol le melalo ko aka seda jarol le sebe ka bambu seda jarol le for president man nyenta kanyi lonko audit queries ning auditor le kisi suroke me ya lonko yewol tumi dan ning kayto ka finti follow me yemen tumi e ka wato diala le pour ka fa ko ñun tumi ro me ya lonko na le kam leftele pour ye fonctionner de curriculum o ñom e ka ko leftele yen jaabi minat na ñinketa ni e jaabiro kenan franco ne ke e kala jaabiro tala ya jibe ya fa ko ila yin jaabiro me ya ke jaabiro ñin amman timma follow leftele pour ye ka to fe ba timman no ñami so they give you all space e ka miro be di le ka wato be di la le pour ye fon koindi na e tumiro me ya lonko kete ka. This is exactly what it's about audit queries. But near other side, Gambia government is ready. Or Gambia government is serious. Gambia government ya mutala ko audit ya understand ko banko katama accountability and transparency la. What should they do? Enyanta kamilek. Ni auditor yela recommendation to the head of state or yela recommendation to the National Assembly. What next? Enyanta menkela. But meya again auditor yela recommendation again about I mean some of the government officials jump. According to the parliament recommendation of the call, IGP have to act. Did we see the IGP act?
No.
And no cookie IGP ma act. IGP ma mo arrest. IGP ma mo command. But did we see the president? The IGP is working under the president because it's the one Mayalong is vested with the supreme power. Ka constitutional tamandi, ka lua tamandi, ka tama fenda Mayalong ko banko lo lua wala nyinanga. Mina ya tina IGP man tama a president be there because this meaning of president is involved. We have to call a spade. But mina tina be ndebe silari nyim banko la kola a member of parliament, the deputy speaker of the parliament, wole left ka banko dundi fitino kono. Because sidi nyanyol kanyem men fotek. Sidi nyanyol kanyem mirol milketeng. Niye tariko jibe nyulele fitino sabu dunia banko dol kan. Because CEO mufennati meya lonko niye CEO ta yesu sunu nyokam aka menka wala nyindiko aka fitno le sabu banko CEO ka jutu nyola CEO ka nyodaya CEO ka tar hamer nyokam CEO ka tar hamer nyokam pour ka fitno wulu ni nyokam si ñoo dammal
Walantina
si kilol aka tinne ka du ñola
bayo
ah
bayo emo molati mialon ko you are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. Nanko you are a typical reminder of Barola Jamfa. Because ilote hamo min soto ingen yo min soto ni dunda min kono. You believe in it and you deliver. Omola mwiti. And you can rest baleta, you know, for the sake of this country. Ibaro ilota baro kante ko beka. Bi bilom biti be bi fanan kono ko kunu ngelen be bi kono. So funding kelo mi ko banko kano no sita don ngaji banko kano ki sita dala nin ka ke sita wala nyinde ko ngala ka duila le saying atul funding kelo mi ko albe katukul warandi kam bakele especially ngaji le ko albe simfanyal bil beta kan at west coast al kansulo nyi be kul min ke kan mashallah woto nyalnyen te bin kelo ninde ko nyaji bi nyim kul param fra be siare ntel funding kul mi all safa ko atul funding al gambia fo diaspora lomba be nyanta kafula nyomale we put our difference aside if there is any. I'm talking about if there is any. I hope there is no differences, but let's let's solidify our grounds. Let's come together and rally our support around Usainu. Ngajo ko nin patio ngadandam fo alafta futan dami ngaftande je. Bengo rally ke wala ko jimmol mi non ko bebe nyun kol be parti bol hani ke yalla ko we do people are intact. But there is a challenge for us to come together.
The point is I mean ekadamento for ajele I mean that is why one time I wrote and I said mol mele alonko eka ibesler usenula eka mila sila usenula eka mila sila usenula kadu kukil ne beje mol mele alonko nyim banko kan jang eka bu usenu ten namina momoy memba falo usenu mankara namina momoy memba falo ko usenu na banko na fulo le sunya
Wallahi
namina mo namna momoy me ya lonko ko akapo ko usenu ta nyim banko sambalano bar mileketa ibe semberim menna wolum nyintu ko jawya ibe semberim menna wolum nyintu ko ala tilimo because men gada wolum nyintu ko ay place la mara nyim banko kanja me ya lonko
wallahi
ni atara bi ay tinyar kenu je bi presque
wallahi
fo le be la mo fulu me ya lonko bi
way frère wolum to nyati bay
par bi sanji jalu bi usenu dabo bota masakunda kono bi sanji jalu abota masakunda kono inamna moy masakunda e finti afako usenu translota masakunda
wallahi listen
the audit report men ya lon ko finti da bi usenu dabo be masakunda kono wato men faji la ka finti je ala audit report a be finti da chaw there is no single audit report ya lon ko usenu dabo le ko ta jam
sai mole nyim be long akoy tema hanbe biminto badi ngolo mun be kere
no membe kere wala nyinti ko konnente yala be kere membe kere wala nyinti ko comment quand même voice the like of Sidi Njie ñol membe to wala nyinti ko ya Usain long ya long ko ay loi long ya long ka 40 ya long ko nobody can dribble him ya long ka be banko tamon la no loi la ila konnente ya man la fi moyena nyim banko ka me ya long ka be nyim banko tamon la loi
ngo marga kuma kilim fan foy
moy tara nyim banko tamon
mela kuma kunti jande
me ya lon ka man nyim banko kanu me ya lon ka man banko la kolon me ya lon ka man fello masakunda tamon de nyasilo
ngo elañen kuma kanol toñati elañen kuma kanol melo kuma kunde me murula je kana because munaketa mo ya last time don dole na ne ya funya akonyo ko bare yaje nyaje nyim banku mantano kabirin baro awser nyol jindi ay ani amade sanu nyolo an be do baro nyol be firin gay me tadu lale me ke kolon akonyo ko bare ntenga mera ko for the sake of the interest for the sake of the Gambia interest si robe kene mbakele pour baroni useni nyomoy if possible useni murunan ani baro e dokoke yalla ngamre fo mare gay ko ila miro is good gay bare ko kilne biye minta sanna wala mo Sidin Njie gay because Sidin Njie right ni useni ni barobe murunan wala diata Nga ba baro jeri be baro yamar la kote kay silo telling ay bula silo noma ake anyanda minkila ake anin luwala anin ay ku kendo ke andu wono be da no be kala dawran den sidin janyol de sata sidin janyol be ku le be la ila palaso e bola kantaka because people like sidin jay where there is decency and improve nga luwal nin kol samanda nyama nga kol ka nyama sidin janyol they stand no chance.